Choose the correct options. The direction of flow is in any flowchart should be from dash. Options bottom to top, top to bottom, right and left, left to right. Answer top to bottom. The direction of flow in any flowchart should be from top to bottom. The symbol used to indicate input and output of a program is options, circle, parallelogram, rectangle, oval. Answer parallelogram. The symbol used to indicate input and output of a program is a parallelogram. Language is directly understood by computer. Options low level, machine, high level, assembly. Answer option B machine. For true and F for false means when for example, the first sentence. When the first sentence is correct, true, then we should write T. And when the fourth sentence is false, wrong, then we should write F. Let's see the first sentence. An algorithm is a graphical representation of a flow chart. Answer false, wrong. Second, the flow chart helps in finding outer errors. Answer true. Third, decision box is a rectangular box used for doing calculation. Answer false. The people who write computer programs are called user. Answer false. Fifth, an assembly language does not need a translator. Answer false. Sixth, a flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of a problem-solving process. Answer true. Flowchart was developed by known as options, Harman, Goldstein, decision box. Fifth, binary. Answer option B, decision box. natural language is sometimes called options Harman, Goldstein, fifth, decision box, binary. Answer option B, fifth. Natural language is something called fifth. The process of writing a program is called task generators language. Options Hammer, Goldstein, binary, decision box, fifth. Answer option B, binary. Answer start stop button. Oval shaped. It this symbol is a start and a stop box. It's in an oval shaped. Symbol. Answer input output box. Parallelogram shaped. It is an input and output box. It is shaped in parallelogram shaped. Symbol. Answer decision box. Rhombus shaped. It is a decision box that is shaped in rhombus. Machine language. A machine language, also called first generation language, is a language directly understood by a computer without any translations. It refers to zeros and firsts that a computer can understand as instructions. Due to this reason, it is also called low-level language, LLL. LLL is a short form of low-level language. You can see the first letter L, second letter, like second word starts with L and the third word starts with L. So LLL, assembly language. An assembly language uses letters and symbols instead of using numbers. First, zeros. A program written is in assembly's language uses short sequence of letters called mnemonic codes like ADD for addition, CMP for championship, LDA. Compiler. A compiler converts the entire HLL program into machine language at once and also displays errors from the whole program together. Interpreter. Interpreter converts one line of program at a time. It displays errors of one line at a time and goes to the next line only after correction of that error. Answer the following questions. Question: what do you mean by flowchart? A flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of a problem-solving process. I.E. Algorithmic, it is called a flowchart as it charts the flow of a program. The direction of flow is a flowchart. It is always from the top to the bottom or left to right. What do you mean by computer language? Okay, a computer language, also known as programming language, is a special language understood by the computers. It consists of set of words, symbols, and codes that is used to write a computer program. What do you understand by HLL? A high-level language. HLL has instructions which are almost similar to English language. It is user-friendly and resembles the language that we use. A program written in HLL can be run on almost the computers without any change. Application-based question answers. Several years ago, a programmer who is no longer with the company wrote a program for a company using a high-level language. Now his colleague is working on the same program and his discovery that a program is not working, by which software can he detect the errors. Help him. Answer: either by compiler or interpreter. Bye bye.